Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm just showing you guys what it looked like after the hurricane. I was going to do a speed clean of the entire downstairs. We ordered groceries. Thankfully, I had all that recycling to put out. This is what the beds look like downstairs. I think I already showed you guys this. And we had a recliner up by the window to protect us, I guess. I don't know. And then this huge mountain of clothing. So I got that all done. And I started to wash our fruit because I bought a ton of groceries for the pantry because, like I said, during the hurricane, we had like nothing. I was so grateful that we were able to buy groceries the next day. So now I'm just washing all the fruit, and then I had some meat to separate for the freezer. So my sister had put me onto Biscoff. I think I had it in an airplane or a hotel once. This is the ice cream bar. It's so good. It reminds me of a dessert that my sister also made for one holiday. I don't remember. It only comes with 3, and thank goodness because I'm lactose intolerant, but I like to torture myself sometimes. This was the next day, and I was putting up the TV in the living room, but update, it's crooked and I have to take it back down. I don't know how. I did the other 2 upstairs and they came out fine. Thank you, Pexar, for sending us this digital picture frame. I'm just going to unbox it and set it up. I'm doing the demonstration in my office, but this is going in our entryway downstairs. As I was setting it up, I already knew I was going to use the digital picture frame to display photos and videos of our kitty Misa. She ended up running away and the kids were devastated. We often screen share and watch all of her old videos all together. We miss her a lot and plan to get another cat, hopefully adopt a kitten so it's less likely to run away. And even when we do get a new cat, we don't want to forget about her. We found Misa, or she found us, so originally she was a street cat and just decided to go back. We thought she loved her home. She was so spoiled, we loved her so much, and she was just a joy to have around. We were all so much happier, but she just decided to run. She is so silly. She would do that every single day. She had like a witching hour, and we miss it so much. She would always come to me, of course, first thing in the morning for her food. And if I didn't get up soon enough, it would always start with purring and like cute little nudges. And then after that, she would knock everything off my nightstand if I didn't get up soon enough. But like I said, we miss her regardless. I like that this can be horizontal or vertical. The stand is magnetic and the cable is installed underneath in a way so it still stands flat. I downloaded the Framio app, so did Ruby, and we've been sharing photos back and forth. You can add friends and share the frame code so anyone can send you pictures. We all have so many pictures and videos of Misa, and now we can have them all in one place. This would be a great gift since the holidays are coming up. I'll have all the links in my description if you guys are interested. And thank you again to Pexar for bringing our memories of our little Misa to life. I filmed that clip after I build my desk, but this is me building my new desk. I got it from Home Depot. This is also going to be in another video. I didn't know that I had to use that footage, but shh, don't tell anyone. This is a longer version to that anyways. I'm not sure when that video will be up, but I really wanted to show you guys an update on my office, also my bedroom soon. Not really much going on in here or my bedroom yet. I'm just trying to build the furniture. I have this closet in my office. I think this room might be the smallest, but that's where I have some of my winter clothing and hats and purses and extra shoes for now. This desk was super easy to put together. Not super easy, but I didn't have a hard time. I wasn't frustrated at all during this. It was very straightforward. I knew for a fact I wanted to get a desk that didn't have any drawers because I don't like building drawers.
We gon' make it beaches, stay in there, stay in the morning, stay in the morning, give you a moment, give you a moment of me, smell all the roses, smell all the roses with me, just give you a moment, stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment, stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment, give you a moment of me. Smell all the roses, smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment, stay in the moment with me. Stay in the moment, stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment, give you a moment of me. Smell all the roses, smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment, stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
This only took me about an hour. I did stop for a little bit because I had to put some groceries away that I had ordered earlier. This desk was heavy. Ruby's dad helped me to bring it upstairs, but oh my goodness, trying to get it up on its 4 legs was heavy, girl.
No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here.
Now I'm just vacuuming up all of the packaging pieces. All that stuff on that wall doesn't belong there. Like the ladder, my lighting kit, the tripods, they don't belong there. The light fixture is the one that used to be in my room at the old house. I'm going to be using it in here now. I'm doing kind of like a silver theme. All of my old decor is going to go. It took me a good 2 days to get through all of those towels and blankets that were piled up by the front door. I also got some new hangers for the kids because they didn't have enough for all the clothing that they had. So after that, I'm going to go in their rooms and put their clothes away. After this, I think I did maybe 1 or 2 more loads before I had to go downstairs and start dinner.
But I'm glad you're here. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Though I want your touch. Baby, that's so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, I
I made a quick pit stop in the little one's bathroom to refill their cleaning bottles.
Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies.
I'm keeping it really simple for dinner tonight and just making burgers. I had some ground beef thawing in the fridge during the day. Now I'm just going to season it up and make my patties and fry them off. Ruby doesn't eat burgers. She doesn't like burgers. I forgot what she ate this night. Showed you all the seasonings, but I don't have measurements. I just go by what feels right.
Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down. Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. It's a good life. Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. If you hadn't.
This is how I assemble my burger. Most of the time we didn't have any pickles, or else I put a pickle on the side. Amir has his plain, no sauce, no lettuce, no nothing. Sultan has just ketchup and onions and lettuce. Here's my burger all assembled. It looks like a Krabby Patty to me, but that's all I did for this day, and that's it for this video. I had like one more load of laundry to do, but that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one.
The guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl.